मुलींना ज्ञान हटले नाही ध्येयापासून, जरी फेकली अंगावर घाण आजही ते दुःख मी मनी विषापरी झेलते. होय, मी सावित्रीबाई फुले बोलते. Hello everyone, by this time you must have recognized me. Yes, you are right. I am Savitribai Jyotirao Phule, the first lady teacher of India for girls. But friends, it was not an easy task to become a lady teacher in 1860, because I was also an illiterate girl before my marriage. But my husband Jyotirao Phule became my guru and taught me to read and write. We started the India's first girls' school at Bhidewada in Pune. People troubled us a lot, but I stood strong against the society and replied them bravely. तुम्ही किती फेका माझ्यावर दगड आणि विटा, परंतु स्त्री शिक्षणाच्या मीच उघडणार वाटा. I want to thank all the parents who are giving education to their daughters. This is helping our society and country to become strong nation. Thank you.